Hello ladies and gentle peeps, I am Professor Skylar here, and I am going to show you how to install Technic, how to get your Java updated, and how to play on one of the best Pixelmon servers around. So let's get started. First off, we need to download Java. Java 64-bit to be exact. The reason we need this is so that we can allow more RAM to the game, because if you have 32-bit Java, it only allows 1 gig, and that's not enough to play Pixelmon. So, what you want to do, come to this website, which will be in the description below, click Windows Offline 64-bit. Once you click this, it'll give you an option to save it. You save it, then you run the program, and it'll just install like any other program, and then that's you done. Restart your computer, and you now have Windows 64-bit Java. Next, Technic. Technic is the platform where we use to play Minecraft mods, such as Pixelmon, which we'll be going over in this. So it's nice and easy. You just come to this website, which again will be in the description below. Click Get the Launcher. Scroll down a little bit, and we'll see these three little buttons here. Now download the one that you're running. So if you're on a Windows computer, get the Windows. If you're using a Mac, get a Mac. And if you're using Linux, get the Linux. So you click the Windows, same again, just save it, and then to run the program, all you have to do is find it, and it'll be here. I usually save it to the desktop so it's nice and easy to find. So now you have this, and you're like, but how do I get the Pixelmon mod and everything else we need for it? Simple. So you come over here, mod packs. Now obviously you probably will not see this here. So there's two ways to do it. You can join our Discord, and then you can get the pack for it there, which is nice and easy. The link for Discord will be in the description below also. But if you want, you can just come in here and type in ETHEREAL, and it will come up. If that doesn't work, you can do this, put the S at the end, but it should come up with just ETHEREAL. Click that, click install instead of play. It will say install for you if you've not installed the pack already. Once you've installed, that's you've got it. So, you now have the mod pack. What you want to do, because we downloaded 64-bit Java, I want to come into launcher options, go to Java settings, make sure you're on latest 64-bit here, and then down here, depending on how much computer RAM you have, you want to allow a certain amount. Now I have 32 gig, so I could go all the way down, but I choose 6 gig. I think 4 gig is more than enough to run it on. I just allow a little bit more, just in case. So, once you've done that, you can close out, and then you can click play. Now obviously all the information that I'm given here can also be found on our Discord, so any other further questions you can just throw them up there, and they'll be easy to answer. So, first time loading up the Minecraft mod for Pixelmon, it'll take a few wee seconds for it to load, and then once it's loaded I'll show you how to join our server. We now have Minecraft, and it looks pretty normal, except from this little bit down here. So all you want to do, multiplayer. Now if this is not showing up at all, you can go to add a server, call it whatever you want, because it's going to change anyway, and you want to call it play.etherealpixelmon.com. And that is it. Once you've done that, you should have this showing up, and then all you have to do is click play, and it should load you into the server. Nice and easy. And I am flying up high. But yes, thank you very much for watching. The next video will show you how to do all the stuff on the server, give you a little rundown of everything. So again, I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now. Just passing time, cause you're gonna edit this out, I hope. Cause if you include this song, I'm gonna kill you, cause I can't sing for shit.